find the value of x if the absolute value of x plus y plus 9 plus the absolute value of x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So as you can see, you have your two absolute values and their sum is 0. So expected that these two absolute values are both equal to 0 so that you could get a sum of 0. So from that, we could have here x plus y plus 9 equate that to 0. So you can have x plus y plus 9 equals to 0. So by the way, when you're taking out the absolute value, you can there would be positive, negative 0 here. But since there is no positive or negative 0, so eventually you can consider that as 0, directly 0. So that is the case. So when you're taking out the absolute value, so the right side, you could have two cases, the positive and the negative. But since it is 0, so directly 0. Okay, and the other one is x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So taking out the absolute value, that becomes x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So the first one is your equation 1 and the first two is your equation 2. So meaning to say, you can have simultaneous equation or system of linear equation. So your goal is to find x. So you could have elimination method. So x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. Since you're going to get the value of x, so you could eliminate y. So to eliminate y, you're going to add. So x plus x, that is 2x. Y plus negative y, that is 0. And 9 plus negative 5, that is positive 4, equals 0. So to solve for x, you need to transpose 4. That becomes negative 4. And then, you divide both sides by 2. So therefore, x is negative